Revolutionize your forms with AI. Meet forms.app, the ultimate AI-powered form builder. Forget Google Forms. Introducing the best AI-powered form builder, http://forms.app. Here is how an AI form generator helps create forms to grow business and boost 10x productivity. 1. Sign up. Go to https://forms.app/AI-form-generator and create a free account. You can sign up with a Google or Apple account. Alternatively, you can enter your own email address. 2. Get unique forms for your website. You need to write which type of form you want and at forms.app, AI will create just the right form for your business. 4. Choose your design. After generating forms and surveys effortlessly with the help of AI, you can also customize the design via themes as you wish. There are several themes available on http://forms.app, allowing you to select the one that best suits your needs. After that, the only thing you should do is share them with your audience. There are several themes available on http://forms.app, allowing you to select the one that best suits your needs. After that, the only thing you should do is share them with your audience. 5. Analyze your data with AI and gain detailed insights, coming soon. http://forms.app AI will analyze your form results and provide insights for data-driven decisions soon. To stay updated on the latest features, make sure to follow at forms.app.